friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we have the Amazon Fire Stick 3rd generation 2021 model right here with us. And guys, today we are going to review this product, so let's get down to a review of it. So guys, what I have here is the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the 3rd gen 2021 model, and today we are going to review this, so let's start off with that. So first of all, let's look at the packaging. It comes in a very simplistic packaging here, right here. A small orange color box with the Fire TV Stick branding on it. Simplify your TV experience is the tagline. They have shown the Fire TV Stick illustration here along with the smart Alexa remote here, and Amazon branding is right here. On top they have shown all the apps that are available on Fire TV Stick. So many apps which are available on Fire TV Stick, like around 16 to 18 apps which they have mentioned here are available on the Fire TV Stick, and that's an amazing thing here. So what is the best thing about Fire TV Stick is basically it can turn your normal simple HD TV into a smart TV. So that is the functionality that it provides. So you don't need to go buy a smart TV or upgrade to a smart TV. Basically you just need to buy a Fire TV Stick. And now let's see what is needed. First of all, what do you need? Like you bought a Fire TV Stick, now what do you need to use it, right? It just requires high-speed internet and Wi-Fi, which is almost in every home right now, and it requires a HD TV with an HDMI input available for it to work. Just two requirements: it requires Wi-Fi internet and it requires a HD TV with an HDMI input. Now what do we get in this box is we get a Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation, Alexa voice remote 3rd generation, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, a USB cable and a HDMI extender cable as well. So that's what we get in this box. On the other side they are mentioned here are some features of it. Press and ask Alexa. You can press and use the Alexa Fire TV Stick. Use the Amazon Fire TV Stick with voice commands by using the Alexa app. You can power and volume control. That has dedicated power and volume control. That is a new thing available in this 3rd gen 2021 model. You have dedicated power and volume control buttons available. It supports Dolby Atmos for better sound experience. It provides 1080 pixel HD, and it has a quad-core processor, so it is very fast, and it supports Wi-Fi band of 802.11 AC. Now what do we have behind here is great performance, picture and Dolby Atmos. Fire TV Stick simplifies your streaming experience with convenient TV controls, more power than the previous generation for access to fast streaming in full HD and immersive audio with Dolby Atmos support. Thousands of channels, apps and Alexa skills. Watch your favorites from YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hotstar, ZEE5 and Sony Live. Plus access live news and sports, as well as millions of websites such as Facebook and Reddit as well on the Fire TV Stick. Along with this, you get the latest Alexa voice remote with TV controls as well, which isn't available in the previous versions. Press and hold the voice button and easily ask Alexa to find, launch and control content. Control your compatible TV, soundbar and receiver using dedicated power and volume button. Quickly access your favorite content with convenient app and guide buttons. Do more with your TV, just ask Alexa. Fire TV is always getting smarter with the new Alexa skills and voice functionality. View live camera feeds, check the weather, order a pizza and stream millions of songs through apps such as Amazon Music, JioSaavn and TuneIn. Some simple things that you can do with the Alexa voice remote is like basically you can ask Alexa, like, Alexa, can you find some comedy movies? Like, can you rewind 30 seconds? Can you fast forward 30 seconds? What can I watch a particular show? Like you can say, can I watch Mirzapur? All of this is something is a possibility only with the Alexa remote that comes with the Fire TV Stick 3rd gen. So that's an amazing addition here. Now what we have on the label right here is the name of the commodity, that's Fire TV stick. Third generation, month and year of warrant, manufacture is May 2021. Like I told you, this is a 2021 model. Country of origin is India. What do we have in this pack? You get one Fire TV stick, one USB cable, one voice remote control, one power adapter, one HDMI extender, and two AAA batteries. So that's all the info available on the box right here. Yeah, coming to the price of the Fire TV stick. The MRP of the Fire TV stick is 4,999. That's the MRP of it. So approx 5,000 bucks here for the Fire TV stick. So yeah, let's go ahead and quickly unbox the Fire TV stick. So if you can see on the back side, it is completely sealed here. We need to remove the seal. Here goes the seal. Here we go and pull it out. So an amazing simple packaging here. So inside the orange box we found another box with the Amazon logo on it right here, and all the contents are in here. So let's see what all do we have first. First of all, the main thing, the Fire TV stick is here. So if you look at it, it looks like the previous generation itself. The difference is the Amazon logo on it. It's an HDMI. So nothing much to look on that. Says HDMI on it, and here's a USB port for it to charge. Next thing that we have is a USB cable that we got here along with it. Thirdly, this is the Alexa voice remote control here, and here are the dedicated buttons. Here's a dedicated power on off button available here, which wasn't available in the previous models, and here's a volume control button as well available here, which is only available in the 3rd gen 2021 model. So this is the Fire TV stick, Fire TV Alexa voice control remote. Here's the Alexa button which you need to press, and then you can control it using voice commands. Next thing that we have here is the HDMI extender cable here. Basically it can turn any way in. You just put the cable in, and then you can connect your Fire TV stick to it. So that's amazing here. What we have next here is the instruction manual here. It says hello Fire TV stick, and then it's a complete instruction manual here, small instruction manual here that comes with it. So it has shown all the information on how to pair and everything else. And now we need to search for the adapter. Oh, they smartly put the adapter right here. So here is the adapter and the two AAA batteries that we have for the remote. Here's the power adapter. So guys, this is all the contents of the box. So first thing first, we got the Amazon Fire TV stick here. Second, we got the USB cable, the Alexa voice remote control here. This is the HDMI extender, the power plug, and the two AAA batteries for the remote, and of course the user manual. So guys, these are all the things that we've got with the Amazon Fire TV stick. So now let's go ahead and start it up. So guys, here I have set up my Fire TV stick. The first thing is I use this HDMI extender to connect the HDMI cable into the extender into the HDMI port, because there's not much space between the TV and the wall. I bought a separate connector here, and then to that connector I have attached the Amazon Fire Stick, and to the Fire Stick we have connected the power adapter. So right here you can see this is a power adapter, and that's all you require for the installation. Next thing what we have here is this is a Fire TV remote, the Alexa powered Fire TV remote that we have with us here. So I already set up the Amazon Fire Stick. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I just need to put on TV and the Fire Stick both here, and then let's see. Now since I have set up the remote and the Fire Stick already, I can also use this remote, the Fire TV Stick remote, to turn on the TV as well. So that is a new facility that's available in the 3rd gen Fire TV Stick 2021 model, where the Amazon Alexa remote comes with a dedicated power on button, power off power button, and the volume keys, which work for your TV as well. So you don't need to basically have a separate remote for the TV and Fire TV Stick. So this is how the Fire TV Stick goes on. It shows the Fire TV logo on it, and then loads the home screen of it. So yeah, definitely while starting it takes some time to start off, and now the home screen will load. So guys, this is basically the home screen of your Fire TV, where it will show you all the popular programs which are already there, which you can directly watch. And then next thing is your home feed, which shows you what all is available, popular free movies and TV shows, sponsored content which you can download and play, recently used apps, the apps that you recently used. This will tell you what is on right now on live TV. These are the live TV channels available. These are the top movies which are available for streaming. These are recently watched channels that you can go and check again. Top TV shows which are already live right now. Then drama movies, Amazon original series, Hollywood movies. So many things available on the home screen right here. Now if you have to check out the apps that you have installed, you just go right on top, and on the right side here you can see the list of the apps that are available already. And when you go to this last icon here, you press enter, it will give you all the apps that you have already installed. So these are the current apps which are by default available, and these are the various apps that I have installed on my Fire TV Stick device. So let's look at the streaming of it. So right now I'm going to the ZEE5 app. And it will show me all the live channels which are available, all the latest Hindi episodes. So I want to watch this. I'll just click on it and it loads, the content loads.
घर से बाहर जाना मतलब बीमारी का खतरा, और बीमारी कभी भी किसी को भी हो सकती है, इसीलिए तैयारी.
Since I haven't upgraded to premium right now, they are showing me ads as well, and these ads are not skippable, so you will have to watch them. Till then, other thing that I can show you all is basically the plus minus volume button. So here we can adjust the volume of the TV from the Fire TV Stick remote itself. So you can see that when I'm pressing plus, the volume is actually increasing. When I press minus on this, the volume is decreasing. So streaming is very smooth. The quality of the picture is very good. HD quality picture, and all of this with this amazing device called the Fire TV Stick. So you do not need any Tata Sky or any of these satellite TV connections. All you need is the Fire TV Stick, and a Wi-Fi router for our internet connection to enjoy all your online TV shows. So I really like this. This is an amazing product, and I bought it because my Tata Sky was giving me issues. So I bought it for my TV, and I feel it's an amazing upgrade I have made here. So overall, I would definitely suggest people who are using Tata Sky and the other dish connections and satellite TV, they should definitely upgrade to the Fire TV stick, because that is worth much more than your Tata Sky or any of the Airtel or any of these dish antenna connections, because it gives you the power to watch anything you want at any time you want. And definitely you can go for multiple different subscription of all these OTT platforms which are available on there. So yes guys, overall I really like the quality of the Fire TV stick. It's an amazing product. So I will definitely rate it a 5 on 5. And yeah, another feature is the Alexa button, which I didn't show you all yet. So you can actually control it through voice. So this is when I press Alexa. Alexa, play some nursery rhymes.
Shri Charan, Puja from Ghana.
So you'll see this. Now Alexa is playing some nursery rhymes. I used my voice control for it. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play the latest Hindi songs.
Here are Hindi songs by Ghana from Ghana.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, go to the home page. So, even if you don't understand to use the remote and like the various apps that are available and stuff, you can use the Alexa voice control to control everything on the Fire TV stick. It is that easy. So right now I can say like, Alexa, play Hera Fairy.
Getting Hera Fairy from MX Player.
So you can see this, now it's playing the movie Hera Fairy from MX Player. So you can see this, because I was watching the movie, that's why it has continued from where I stopped. Another amazing feature is you can anytime pause the movie, forward it, rewind it, all of those things, all that power you get with the Amazon Fire TV stick. So it's an amazing product to go for. So guys, I would definitely give the Amazon Fire TV stick a 5 on 5. It's an amazing product. It's worth the investment. You should definitely go ahead and give it a try. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.